this AJ?
Yeah?
Gale?
Herc, it's me. What do you want?
I went after another monkey statue. May have gotten caught, you know. Well, scratch that. I'm definitely caught. So you gotta get me out of here, too. The army has got me, man.
How are you calling me?
Bongo 2. Yeah, I totally upgraded him with like a radio. This is like monkey radio, man, bringing you all the hits. Oh, snap, it's on me.
Oh.
You are so my new tap, bro. Now, I know I've been talking about monkeys, but these jagoffs, they've been hurting other critters, too.
You want to save all the animals?
No, just one elephant, man. It's symbolic. By weight. I mean, I saved one. It's like I rescued a whole bunch of smaller ones, right? I mean, one elephant has got to be worth, what, like 500 monkeys? You see that gun through that you do, and I'm gonna go free it.
We're coming in from the north.
So you and me, we just ride Jumbo 2 out here, guns blazing like a couple of elephant cowboy pimps.
Jumbo 2.
We don't talk about Jumbo 1, no, not ever. I just hope he's up there in a better circus.
What?
Never mind, come on. I'll drive, you shoot. The tap bros, yeah, man, see this car real. You gonna be a gentleman and help me up? Come on.
You know what? That's enough.
Hey, it's all right.
Yeah, just watch the beard on my neck.
Whatever, man. This elephant's got 2 buttholes, 2 taints, and 4 balls on his back, and you're complaining about 1 penis.
I wasn't talking about your penis. It's your beard. It's itchy. Get it off my neck.
Oh, sorry, man. No problem. Well, you're cool with the penis, then.
That too. Back it up.
All right, man.
I thought you were steering.
Change of plans, dude. You drive and shoot, and I'ma, like, totally encourage you, okay, man? I don't mind being a backseat guy. I kinda like it. That totally came out wrong, okay? You know that, right?
Yeah.
That, bro. Party favors, man! Ammo!
Bert, where are we going?
Keep heading up, I guess.
You guess?
It's an educated guess, man. I was homeschooled and everything. More baddies, homie!
I do not find anyone out there. Hey, lad! Don't know what's out here. Elephant! Elephant!
Here, ammo, man! I got you covered!
It's the place! Shoot that dude! Kill the beast! Ah! Pay attention!
use.
Hurt, where are we going?
Up the hill, man! The monkey statue's like in the cave!
Watch it!
Yee-hoo-hoo! Fuck you, Atlanta traffic! More baddies, homie! Geronimo! I landed on my sacrum! Oh.
You'll live.
How do you know? Are you a doctor? Are you qualified to tell a man whether he will live when he has jumped off an elephant and landed on his goddamn sacrum? You don't know! Oh, I gotta walk it off, man. Oh, it's bad. It's real bad. Oh, it's getting better. You're right, I probably will live. Yeah, I'm fine, actually. Yeah, nah, I overreacted. That was on me. I'm going for that statue, man. You got yourself a shit sandwich coming your way. want some all with that sauce, man? Because we just kicked up a big old pot of genuine awesome sauce.
You squared off with the monkeys yet?
Well, you know, I'm ahead of the curve with these elephants, but them monkeys, they gonna need a little bit more tender loving care from old Herc here. Monkeys is totally evolved, right? I mean, that's why they didn't make Planet of the Elephants or Jumbo Kong or Outbreak, but with elephants, it's all about the monkeys, man, the monkeys. So I'm gonna find that last statue, and when I do, we're gonna go Tap Bro 2, enter the Herc on them dudes. Okay?
Yeah.
I knew you was with me. Right here, man, me and you. Kindred spirits.